Fix in 5. P0525. Cruise control servo control circuit malfunction, loss of cruise control. Medium severity. Here's what it means, what causes it, and how it's fixed. Ignore it long enough and it gets expensive opinions about your wallet. First, the symptoms. Cruise control does not engage or maintain speed. Cruise control light illuminated on dashboard. Check engine light, MAL, activated. Throttle may not respond smoothly in cruise mode. Vehicle operates normally in manual throttle mode. Now the most likely causes. Defective cruise control servo motor. Wiring fault or corrosion in servo circuit. Loose or corroded connectors at servo motor or ECM. Open or short circuit in servo control wiring harness. ECM programming error or software fault. Here's how a pro pins it down. Replace defective cruise control servo/actuator, if confer. Repair or replace damaged, shorted, or corroded wiring/con. Replace faulty cruise control relay or fuse. Replace or recalibrate defective cruise control switch or repair open or short circuits uncovered during testing. If confirmed, update or reflash ECU/PCM software or Repla. What does it cost? Roughly €80-250 doing it yourself, or €200-370 at a workshop. Rates vary by country. How to fix it? Inspect and clean servo motor connectors and harness reseat connections firmly. Repair or replace damaged wiring in servo control circuit. Replace cruise control servo motor if defective. Replace cruise control switch assembly if faulty. The scanner and partside use are linked below. How common is it? Reported on 0 models. People also ask, is it safe to drive with P0525? Short trips may be possible with P0525 active, but extended driving is not recommended. A medium severity fault like this can worsen over time and lead to additional damage or failures. Quick one for the professionals. TroubleAtlas Pro is your whole workshop in one app. Get cited by AI when drivers nearby look for a pro. Fast fault code diagnosis, full vehicle data from the VIN, parts and tire prices, and client management with PDF quotes. And one for the manufacturers. Make a device? Put it to the test. TroubleAtlas runs an independent evaluation on a fixed, public protocol, gives it an honest score out of 10, and an official seal you can license for your own marketing. We test the product, we never sell the score. And every certificate is verifiable on our site. Apply at TroubleAtlas.com/TroubleAtlas certified. That's P0525. The full guide and every related code are on TroubleAtlas, links below. Subscribe, new fixes every week, and keep your dashboard quiet.